How to earn 3,000 naira daily using this platform. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Sam Wealth, and I'll be sharing to you how to earn 2,000 naira daily using this platform or a comparison of other platforms to be in another video. So stick around to the end of the video to get the full access to the platform and get where you can get the link, and we'll see you in the video. Let's start. So the name of the platform is 22 Job. I still all know that 22 Job pays you for connecting your WhatsApp account. All right, yes, you all know that there have been these platforms that are paying for WhatsApp account, but 22 Job pays well if you refer well and you have multiple accounts. So there's something they call daily wages. Click on daily wages, which gives you additional income apart from the normal one you get. So basically the first VIP reward, your first they will give you first activation, which is like a lot. I think the first one is 3,000, second one is 4,000, but I don't remember. I already received mine since. Then also when you click on get rewards, you can also upgrade your VIP level, and the more your VIP level, the more income you make. As you all can see here, that the money is different from yours if you go and check now. So your VIP level matters on the amount of money you earn on this platform. All right. So you connect your WhatsApp. To connect your WhatsApp, click on start task. Then select your country code. Your country code, that's your WhatsApp country code. You all know that we can get US country code. Then close on tick this promote to friends to get commission, because that means that they will be spamming your friends, that means your contacts, and that might cause WhatsApp ban more earlier. So you just put in the number. When you put in the number, let me just use my main number for testing purposes only. So just give it a while. It's supposed to load. So once you load, you will receive a notification from WhatsApp, like in your notification bar, that connect this device to your account, something like that. When you click on it, you just put in the code that they will give to you. Alright, so as you can see here that the WhatsApp is here. So when I just click on it, I'll copy the code and paste it there. That's not same. Okay, so if you have been earning, then I'll show you how to perform withdrawal from this platform. Click on account withdrawal. Click on edit Nigeria one, please, if you are Nigerian. So select select bank account, receiving amount, and receipt name should be your username, password should be your login password. That's the one you use to register. So then this BRL, okay, this is for Brazil, this is for India. So yeah, I don't actually have used these platforms before, but as you can see, they are all here. So I think you should know what to do. I'm not the one that will be helping out. Let me see how much it is in Indian. Alright, so click on Nigeria one. Then notice that withdrawal fee is 300 naira. So you see over here how much you can withdraw. So I'll just perform withdrawal now. You can notice that this is 3,000 naira. Just like I said I wasn't lying. Right, so just it is sure, just give it a moment. Income details. Sorry, that's actually just trying. Okay, so I applied for withdrawal order. This withdrawal is not yet successful. Just give it a moment. It's supposed to drop because 22 jobs withdrawal drop like immediately. So that's why I really like the platform, and this platform is really great if you have multiple WhatsApp accounts. So there's a trick. If you have up to 5 WhatsApp accounts, you can connect one account to this your main account, then use your referral link over here, use it to register another account and connect on that, so you can be earning commissions on that account and also earn daily wages. All of these things, so these things are the main deal. Connecting your WhatsApp account is a main deal, but not as main as earning, like having multiple people to earn from. As you can notice here, I just have 2 persons. So the link to join 22 job is in the description box below. If you haven't joined, take advantage of that link to join. Also along the link you can see our WhatsApp group there, so you can join our WhatsApp group where we share updates, updates that can bring you money. Yeah, I'm not joking. So I guess that's all. We are waiting for the withdrawal from 22 jobs. So let me just check on withdrawal order to check. Just give it a moment, like from 5 to 10 minutes. Give it a moment and check. Okay, so now this is a small bonus for those that stay to the end of the video. If you are currently watching now, I have a bonus for you. um if you are doing tax again, go and carefully remove your WhatsApp account, because they ban accounts a lot. Like, when I mean a lot, I mean so much, that it turns out to be like, why are we connecting our WhatsApp account there? They increase income, but if you notice that they send messages like spams, so your account will not survive 30 minutes for newer account. You use your main account, it will not survive one day, it's banned already. That's why I actually told people in my WhatsApp group that they should carefully just remove themselves from this platform. It's not, how can I say, it's just that the platform is not great for doing anything. They actually do have a lot of issues, and they use your WhatsApp to scam people. And unlike the other platforms that I actually explained in some videos that will even be coming out very very soon, those platforms, they will pay you, but this one would make sure to ban your WhatsApp account, and then you end up seeing that the points are useless. They first of all increase minimum withdrawal to 10,000 from 3,000 points. That one automatically put me off already, and apart from the fact that they're banning WhatsApp account, so that's the main reason I would actually put the thumbnail that you clicked would be the withdrawal from this platform, as I think 22job is currently facing some issues, right? You see in the next video. If you haven't joined 22job, use the link in the description box, right? So you see in the next video. Goodbye.